Hey guys, I wanted to show you an improvement I made at my home. As you know, Yucatan is really hot all the year, so I installed an air conditioner at the dining room, but I it came with an issue because there is this space at the kitchen that the air used to escape. So I installed these curtains and they worked, but not as they were not as efficient as I would like. So I was thinking on what I can do, how to improve this, and I ended up installing a slide door, and it actually looks great. It's so more aesthetic, it's more efficient, and well, looks great. I installed it in about 20 minutes and you can see how it looks now. I hope you enjoyed.